Hello everybody. So today I am craving red meat. I am a red meat girl, but we're gonna stick with Miss Tabitha Brown and we're gonna try portobello mushrooms. Let's see. So for this meal you need sliced portobello mushrooms, black pepper, garlic powder, apple cider vinegar, onion powder, coconut aminos, hey, you need Himalayan pink salt and liquid smoke, and about half a cup of butter. Grass-fed, vegan would be preferred. So let's mix everything together. Now, I used all of my amino acids in this, so if you got a bottle, empty it, baby. The next thing, I put about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I put 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, and about a teaspoon of pepper and Himalayan salt. So you can either keep your sauce, your seasoning in the bowl, or you can do like me and put the mushrooms in and let them marinate for maybe 2 hours. All right, so after 2 hours of marinating, we got them on the stove on a cast iron skillet grilling, and this is what they look like. All right, here we go with our spinach. You're gonna need grapeseed oil, you're gonna need some minced garlic and some spinach. You can also use some Himalayan salt or some sea salt. All right, go ahead and put you about 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon, however much. I love garlic, so I put 2 tablespoons of garlic in here. I'm gonna let it sizzle for a second, and then I'm gonna add the spinach. All right, so here's our spinach in the skillet. Don't judge me, I love spinach. So put as much as you want in, and then as it shrinks down, just start stirring it and mixing it, and then we're gonna add an egg for a little more flavor. All right, so now our spinach has been cooked down, and I added an egg right there in the center. So we're gonna let it cook for just a few seconds, and then we're gonna mix it all together. Once you mix it, add your sea salt to taste, add a little pepper, and it's ready for you to eat. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the dinner of the night. I'm so excited to eat this, and I'm sure my family will love it too. For more information, please hit me up anytime. And also check out Tabitha Brown's recipes. She is definitely the biggest inspiration for our lovely meals.